Good afternoon, Mike Oaks of Rockaway. So we're doing a little fountain. Has a 45 aqua basin underneath with a 2000 pump circulating up through the little bowl that we have here. Filled the bowl with rock just to make it a little bit heavier, just so the kids can't come in and out and move a lot of this stuff. This is a high traffic area because it's like right in front of the Jacksonville Arboretum. Some little pod lights in here, just when it gets dark. Everything illuminates. Right now I'm draining the fountain to get all the nasty stuff out, so when you come to see it, it's gonna be nice and pretty. And everywhere that you see the black stuff on the ground right now, that's gonna be mulch. So we put a protective barrier down, which is the weed mat. Then we sod staple everything down, make sure it's all nice and secure. Then Antonio and Tony, they came in while I was setting the water feature, and they did all this cool rock border around everything. Now we have a rock border around all the butterfly garden area. And again, this is as soon as you come into the Arboretum. So as soon as you come in, you're gonna see this wonderful project done by Rockaway. This spill bowl literally will have a little bit of a fountain in the middle, spill over the sides. The light's gonna illuminate the color. And then we have nice white river rock inside just to kind of contrast the colors. Everything is pretty much self-contained, so pumps down inside of there. The black hosing goes down, wraps down inside to the pump, just recirculates everything and make sure that you don't have to keep filling it up. One addition that we did do was added an autofill. So we have a main line coming through. Benefit of the autofill is you don't have to worry about the water being too low or too high. It literally is like a plunger that's on your toilet. Once it raises to a certain area, that shuts off the water. If it gets too low, as soon as that drops, it releases enough water into it until that bowl lifts again, and then it shuts it back off. So you don't ever have to worry about coming out and filling this thing up. So anything you need, reach out to us and we'll take care of you.